Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Christmas wreath. I saw one similar at Walmart, so I'm going to try and recreate it. So I got a grapevine wreath at Joann's. This was only $3. I think it's a 10-inch. This truck I've had for a long time, but you can use any of the trucks that they have at Dollar Tree. A couple of picks from Walmart that were 97 cents a piece. A Christmas tree from Dollar Tree, some black paint, some white paint, and I made a ribbon with some buffalo check and looks like burlap. So the first thing I did was drill a hole in each side of my truck on the bumper. I just used a small drill bit to do that. This is so we can wire the truck onto the wreath. Next, I'm going to paint the truck all black with just some black acrylic paint. You can use chalk paint if you'd like, whatever you have on hand. And I did the front and the back. Next, I'm going to take some white paint and add some snow. So I'm just going to dry brush some white paint all over the edges of the truck. So along the bed, on the roof, on the bumpers, a little bit above the wheel wells, right along the hood, just to give this look of some snow falling onto the truck. Once I had all the white on there, I kind of went over with a little bit more of the black paint to get rid of some of the white. I put a little too much on. So I just kind of messed with it until I liked the way that it looked. Next, I'm going to wire the truck onto the wreath. So I just checked to find the top, and I had already wired a little hanger onto the back, so that's the top of my wreath. I'm going to lay my truck on, and then I'm just going to take some wire, and this is just regular floral wire that I got at Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and it's really thin and able to be manipulated easily. So I just ran it through the holes that I had already made in the truck, and then I twisted it, and then I cut off the excess, and I did that on both sides. Once I had the truck attached, I'm going to take my two picks that I got at Walmart, and I'm going to lay them on each side of the wreath, and I just kind of shove them down into the grapevine, and then I'm going to also wire those on as well. So they're stuck pretty good in there right now, but I'm just going to add the wire for extra security. And once I have them attached with the wire, I'm going to just kind of fluff them out and make them look nice because when you get a pick, they're all stuck together. And then I'm going to add my bow in the center. As you can see, when I added the picks, I left a big gap for the bow to fit in. So I'm just going to use the wire that I had on the back of my ribbon, and I'm just going to attach that to the center. And again, I'm just twisting the wire and then cutting off the excess. And then I sort of took whatever was sticking out of the wire, and I just used my wire cutters to push it into the wreath so that it wouldn't scratch my door or anything. And look how cute that looks. Next, I'm going to take that Christmas tree and I'm going to glue it to the back side of the truck so it looks like it's coming out of the bed of the truck. So I'm just going to take some hot glue and add it to that, and then I'm just going to hold it in place on the back of the truck until it's held. And look how adorable that is. I think this turned out absolutely amazing. I think I'm going to add some white paint to the grapevine though to make it look like there's snow on the wreath itself. I think that would just really add a nice finishing touch. I haven't decided quite yet. What do you think? Do you think I should add the white to the wreath, or should I leave it as is? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And please don't forget to spread the chaos.